Welcome to the top best. The Best of Frame TV 65 is probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing televisions on the market, seamlessly blending cutting-edge display technology with the elegance of fine art, transforming your living space into a dynamic gallery when not in use, and offering a stunning visual experience for your favorite movies and shows. Number 5. BELLEZE Traditional Rustic TV Stand with Electric Fireplace. This media console is crafted from durable manufactured wood for lasting use. Anti-tipping brackets provide enhanced stability, and cable management cutouts keep your space tidy. It offers generous storage with 2 enclosed cabinets featuring adjustable shelves and tempered glass doors for safety. 2 open shelves further enhance organization, keeping your area neat. The fireplace is designed with overheating protection, automatically shutting down when it gets too hot. You can easily control the temperature with the included remote. Enjoy a realistic look with a captivating LED display showcasing glowing embers. It creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your living space. This console table is perfect for TVs up to 65 inches. It combines functionality, durability, and safety for your home entertainment needs. What we like. This unit offers a rustic charm with a built-in electric fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. It provides ample storage with cabinets and open shelves to keep your media organized. If you're looking for a TV stand that combines warmth, storage, and a traditional aesthetic, this is a great choice for your living room. What people say. The design looks like something out of a high-end furniture store. The farmhouse-inspired wood finish and clean lines give my living room a warm, sophisticated feel. The built-in 18-inch electric fireplace is what really sets this piece apart. The flame effect looks surprisingly realistic and it adds the perfect amount of cozy ambience without overheating the room. You can run the flame with or without heat, which is great for year-round use. The hardware is very good with soft close hinges for the cabinet doors. Number 4. Samsung 65-inch Frame Series 4K Smart TV. When you're not watching, it transforms into a beautiful work of art. With a motion sensor, it displays your favorite selections whenever you enter the room. Access a vast library of over 1,400 artworks from established and emerging artists. You can buy individual pieces or subscribe to the full collection. Experience breathtaking color with a billion true-to-life shades. It achieves 100% color volume, perfect for cinema and HDR content. Elevate your space by making it uniquely yours. Enhance its look with a variety of frame styles and color options. Enjoy an elevated viewing experience with AI-based upscaling to 4K. The quantum processor ensures stunning picture clarity. Do more with your TV. Ask Alexa to open apps, change channels, search for content, play music, and control your smart home devices. What we like. This option transforms into a piece of art when not in use, blending seamlessly with your decor. It offers stunning visuals with quantum HDR and a customizable frame to match your style. If you appreciate art and want your TV to be a conversation starter, this is the perfect fit for your home. What people say. The One Connect box has everything connect to it: HDMI, power, antenna, and other cables. The One Connect box then has a thin cable that runs to the back of the TV, allowing it to sit flush on the wall. The set itself looks just like a very large picture frame when the TV is off. It comes preloaded with a few pieces of artwork, and the offer to buy into a Samsung app that gives you access to lots more artwork. You also have the option to load your own photos onto the one box, which is what I did. They all look stunning on the TV. The new 4K has amazing color and picture clarity. It looks pretty darn close to 3D. Number 3. Samsung 65-inch QLED 4K The Frame Series Smart TV. Discover over 2,500 incredible works of art from renowned museums and artists. Access this vast collection through the Samsung Art Store, bringing the beauty of the world into your home. Experience an intelligently designed space with our One Connect box, eliminating wire clutter. It powers your TV and connects devices with a single, discrete cable for a clean look. Personalize your viewing experience with the most customization options available. Choose from assorted bezels, exclusive frames, and digital matte options to perfectly complement your decor. Enjoy expert-validated color that ensures artworks appear vibrant and true to life. Our Pantone-validated artful color technology brings museum-quality visuals to your screen. Our UL-certified matte display provides a glare-free finish, making your favorite art look as if it's printed directly on the screen. Enjoy a viewing experience free from distracting reflections. Available in a variety of sizes, this TV is designed to perfectly fit any space in your home. Enjoy versatile options that complement your room's layout and your aesthetic. What we like. Experience art like never before with its certified glare-free matte display, making artwork look truly printed. It provides access to a vast collection of art through the Samsung Art Store and mounts flush to the wall for a clean look. If you desire a museum-like art experience at home and a minimalist design, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The picture is clear and crisp in the height of the day. The sound is excellent in an open-concept living dining kitchen with vaulted ceilings. I will not be needing a sound bar. Sits so close to the wall. The frame TV is stylish, fits well in our room, has incredible quality, not sacrificed at all, and is lightweight and can be mounted flush with the wall. It truly does look like a framed piece of art. Number 2. Samsung The Frame LS03F 4K QLED Smart TV, 2025. This television is designed to blend seamlessly into your home, appearing like a piece of art. Its slim profile mounts flush to the wall, and a single wire connects it to power and your devices. When not in use for viewing, it transforms into a stunning display of art. You can access a vast collection or showcase your own cherished photos, complete with customizable matte styles. Enjoy vibrant and lifelike picture quality when watching your favorite shows. When turned off, it becomes a museum-worthy display, allowing you to admire artwork with incredible detail and color. Experience the next evolution in television, tailored just for you. It offers AI-enhanced picture and sound, along with personalized experiences that deepen your engagement with content. See your favorite artwork with a print-like finish, as if it were hanging in a gallery. The matte texture of the screen reduces glare, making art appear incredibly realistic. Enjoy incredibly smooth visuals and high speeds, perfect for immersive gaming and fast-paced sports. It supports VRR gaming at up to 4K 144Hz for an elite performance. What we like. This model features an advanced AI processor for enhanced picture and sound, delivering a print-like finish for artwork. It also ensures smooth motion for gaming and sports. If you're seeking cutting-edge technology for both art display and entertainment, this offers a revolutionary personalized experience. What people say. It hangs flush against the wall, and with the artwork you can choose to display, it looks like a real painting. It is nice that the screen is only 3/4 thick and all of the guts are in a separate box which can be 10+ feet away. The remote is RF, so it doesn't need line at sight. The display quality is excellent. Colors look rich and realistic, the picture is sharp, and the matte screen makes a noticeable difference in reducing glare, especially in a brighter room. Art mode is genuinely top tier. Some pieces look so realistic that guests assume it's framed artwork. Number 1. Antique Gold and Black 65 Premier Deco TV Frame. Introducing our exquisite Antique Gold and Black Premier Deco TV Frame. Designed exclusively for Samsung The Frame TVs, it offers an elegant replacement for your standard bezel. Our frames feature secure locking corner keys for a precise and firm fit. Enjoy a smooth setup process and achieve a sleek, modern look with ease. Elevate your viewing experience as this frame transforms your television into a stunning piece of framed art. It's designed to complement your Samsung The Frame TV beautifully. Rest assured, your remote control will work seamlessly with it, especially in Bluetooth mode. Minor adjustments to art mode settings ensure optimal sensor performance. For the perfect fit and alignment, this frame is designed for wall-mounted installations. Please ensure your TV is wall-mounted for compatibility, as it's not suitable for tabletop setups. This frame is exclusively made for Samsung The Frame TVs and Pro TVs from 2021 to 2026. It ensures a perfect match with specific Samsung models like LS03A, LS03B, and more. What we like. This accessory is designed exclusively to enhance your existing TV, providing a secure and elegant frame. It offers easy installation with locking corner keys and is fully compatible with art mode. If you already own a compatible TV and want to elevate its aesthetic to a framed masterpiece, this is the perfect addition. What people say. It looks like authentic art now. Even when the TV is off, it still looks so elegant. It is so easy to install and solid build. You would now never suspect it is a TV. Looks like a nicely framed piece of art. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.